Church caretaker held in connection with the murder of Pastor James Johnson.
James, go. What? Come.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police say the caretaker of the Church of God of Prophecy on Old Harbour Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, has been held in connection with last month's murder of Pastor James Johnson. His apprehension comes weeks after the police have been trying to have a sit-down with him following the brutal killing of James inside the church last month. According to the Constabulary's Corporate Communications Unit, Johnson, a 29-year-old pastor from Union Estate in the parish, was reportedly in the process of preparing for a class about 5 p.m. on September 20 when a gunman entered and shot him several times. 7 spent shells were recovered from the scene. Acting head of the Major Investigation Division, Superintendent Paul Thomas, said that the suspect was found hiding in the ceiling of a house in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, approximately 11 a.m. Saturday, October 6. We have the suspect in custody, who we will be questioning in regards to the murder. There are certain leads which we are following that led us to taking him into custody, and we wish to question him in the presence of his attorney as soon as the attorney is available, Superintendent Thomas said. This is someone who we have been trying to reach to have a conversation with him over the past 2 weeks, and he has been avoiding us in many ways, meaning that he has been speaking to us, making appointments and not turning up. We actually went in search of evidence and actually found him. Based on that and other issues, he was taken into custody, the superintendent said. Pastor James Johnson was one of the youngest licensed ordained ministers in the Church of God of Prophecy. He is a past student of the Garvey Messiah High School and hailed from the Red Hills community in Clarendon. He was a public relations officer for the church and a prominent political activist with allegiance to the Jamaica Labour Party.
James, go. What? Come. I'm putting this on on bloopers. What did you say? You're a disaster? I didn't say those words, but you did. Let's try again, because I have a little patience. Go. There you go. There you go. Breathe. Breathe. Yes. Slowly.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.